Chapter 2, Exercise 2.1, page 1. Linear equation in one variable. Formative assessment. First question. X by 12 plus 7 is equal to 9. Solve this. So, take 12 as LCM. X plus 12, 7 is 84 is equal to 9. X plus 84 is equal to 108. 12 9 is 108. And then take this 84 this side. We will get x is equal to 100 minus 84 is equal to 24. So value of x is 24. That is the second option in the book. It is the second one. Second option, this one. So A match with second, 24. Now B part. B part is very simple. Try it by your own. I am going to solve C part. 0.5x minus 0.5 is equal to 2.5. This one. This one. 0.5x minus 0.5 is equal to 2.5. 0.5 can be written as 5 by 10 into x minus 5 by 10 is equal to 25 by 10. Remove these decimals. When we remove the decimal, then put 1 at the place of the decimal, and as many digits after decimal, so many zeros. Just like one digit is there, so 1 0 is there. Taking 10 as LCM, you will get 5x minus 5, and this one is 25 by 10. Then 5x minus 5 is equal to, shift this 10 this side, because it is divided here. 5x minus 5 divide by 10, so there should be multiply by 10. So 5x minus 5 is equal to 25. So take this 5 this side. So 5x is equal to 25 plus 5. 5x is equal to 30. Then take this 5 this side. X will be 30 by 5. That is 6. So x is equal to 6. That is option 1. So question number, this one is C part is matched with first. Try B and D yourself. Now next. Question number 2. Solve and check the solution of each of the following equation. First you have to solve this. Just like in first, find the value of z and then check also. Check means put value of z in the left hand side of this equation. Then we should get 5 by 4. In the same way, find the value of x, then put in the left hand side. We should get 36. Let us solve first A part. This one. 3z minus 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by 4. To take minus 1 by 2 this side, this will be plus 1 by 2. 3z is equal to 5 by 4 plus 1 by 2. 4 is LCM. So 3z is equal to 4 is LCM. 4 से 4 cancel. 5 1 is 5 plus 2 to the 4. Then 2 1 is 2. You will get 3z is equal to 7 by 4. Or then take this 3 this side, because it is multiply with z. So this side, when we shift this 3 this side, it will be divided. So z is equal to 7 by 4 into 1 by 3. Z will be 7 upon 4 into 3. That is z is equal to 7 by 12. So value of z is 7 by 12. Now checking. Put z is equal to 7 by 12 in the left hand side of given equation. Of given statement, put z here. The value of z is 7 by 12. So it will be 3 into 7 by 12 minus 1 by 2. We should get 5 by 4. If answer will be 5 by 4, then our solution is right. Checking is also right. Otherwise it is wrong. So 3 into 7 by 12 minus 1 by 2. 3 4 is 12. We will get 7 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Then 4 is LCM. Multiply this 4 here. So 4 to 4 cancel. Only 7 is left. And if you multiply 4 here, 1 by 2 into 4. Then 2 to the 4. Only 2 is left. Then 7 minus 2 by 4. That is 5 by 4. This is equal to right hand side. Look here. This one. If we put z is equal to 7 by 12, we will get the 5 by 4. So this is the checking way. Understand, students? Now we start next. Now B part and C part. Try it by your own. First you shift 80 in this side, that will be the answer. In this, first you shift 6 this side, then divide by 4. D part. 108 by 27 is equal to 3V minus 29. What is the variable here? V. And because power is 1, so it is linear. So let us solve D part from the notebook. This is given 108 by 27 is equal to this. First you cut this. 27 4 the 108. First you cancel it by 3. 3 9 the 27. 3 36 the 108. Then 9 4 the 36. Plus 29 is equal to 3V. So it is what? 4 only. Plus 29. 3V. 4. Take this. 4 plus 29 is what? 33 is equal to 3V. Then V is equal to what? This 3 is divided by where? Divide 33 like this. V is equal to 33 by 3. This is 11. So V is equal to 11. Now put V is equal to 11 in this given statement. Now it is right hand side. Because V lying in right hand side of the given statement. So put V here. What we will get? Put V is equal to 11 in this. This is 108 by 27. 3 into 11. V is 11 minus 29. 27. 108 by 27 is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to 33 minus 29. That is 4 is equal to 4. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence our checking is complete. When we put the value of variable back into the given equation, then both sides should be equal. That is the meaning of checking. Now it is G part. E and F, you try yourself. G part is there. G part is this. Two by 3y is equal to 1.6. This one. So let us see. 2 by 3y is equal to 1.6. Then 2 by 3y is equal to 16 by 10. Again remove the decimal. Now y is what? Because 2 by 3 is multiplied by y. So take this 2 by 3 this side. It will be 3 by 2. 2 by 3 y is equal to 16 by 10 divided by 2 by 3. Then multiply is 3 by 2. I hope you know about it. 2 8 the 16. 2 8 the 16. We will get y is equal to 8 3 the 24 by 10. That is 2.4. Our answer is 2.4. Now put this value of y. Y is equal to 2.4 in left hand side of given statement. So we will get 2 by 3 into 2.4. That is 2 by 3 into 24 by 10. Remove the decimal. We will get 3 8 the 24, then 8 to the 16 by 10, and it will be 1.6. The same what I have given. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Yeah, when we put value of y in left hand side, we will get the right hand side. That is 1.6. Now next question, H part is there. H part is this. 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4x is equal to 5 by 4. This one.